Hello and welcome to the 13 Witches Runes Divination. So this is a divination technique used by Wiccans around the world since quite a long time. So you can see the symbols here. They're all directly linked to the elements and you can interpret them. So how do you place the runes? When you are doing a reading, you see there are 13 runes here. There are only 13 runes. In the witches runes, there are only 13 runes. Whatever else that came, that people have developed later. But initially and originally, there are only 13 runes. Okay, so it's very easy to understand them. So the first one is this one. This is the sun rune. Okay. Now the sun rune, if this turns up in a reading, it is exactly like the sun. What does the sun do?